Well, I see they're not.
Okay.
Oh, my head.
So there's the front legs gone. Now you have to cut off all the fat and gristle
Wait, Bub, please.
to get to the chuck. Come here. You're gonna go wash your hands. That's
What?
why I brought the.
I want you to wash them.
Oh, what? Watch opening your mouth around the flies. They don't taste good.
You always joke about taste.
Well, let a fly sit in your mouth and tell me what's going on, okay? Do you want me to get one for you?
This kid that rides my bus killed a fly, put its guts all over his finger, and ate it.
Okay.
Well, that's why you're on the retard bus. You got retards.
Oh dear, yeah. Come here. You're taking over lights.
Okay.
Careful.
Hi.
Now, what's going on?
Well, right now, Dad's cutting the fat off from the cow because I just cut the shoulder blade off.
Therefore, we need to get to
No, you
the
cut the
chuck.
front leg off.
Yeah, that's the shoulder blade.
One of the front quarters.
Mm-hmm.
The back 2 quarters are over there. I sawed it off. With Dad's help, obviously. Throw it in bucket.
Look.
Saggy.
What is that?
Lung, I
No.
believe.
No, that's not lung.
Stomach. Or
That's a portion of the intestine.
Oh, so an intestine already popped.
See that?
That's cud.
That's where you cut.
That's part of where I cut. That's the cud inside the stomach.
We need light up there.
I'm good right now.
Got the cow head
And his goriness neck.
and his disgusting neck.
And we
Hey, I was doing the best I could to slit the neck with a dull knife.
put a bullet between the eyes.
It didn't happen that way.
Why?
Why? Her back leg quit. She got where she couldn't walk. We tried to take her off to the slaughterhouse, but for the slaughterhouse to take them, they have to be able to walk into the slaughterhouse on their own. Once she got in the trailer, she went down and she didn't get back up. Her hip completely went out, so we were forced to basically offload her from the truck that was going to the slaughterhouse.
My legs.
And that is part of why you're not allowed to cut this thing easier.
The way
Because
that you talk.
what happened with her, when they pulled her off the truck, they had shocked her a lot, and she just couldn't do it. She couldn't ever get back up. So she basically laid down and
Gave up.
With the shocking that was going on with the guy trying to get her up, I think that more than likely her heart just couldn't. And she was dehydrated because she couldn't make it to the pond to drink.
Oh, it's getting bloody.
That's part of the hanging process. That's why she didn't get to hang very much, because I couldn't.
Oh, great. My sock's been ruined.
Your sock's got blood on it and it washes. Put it in salt water.
My knee has blood all over it.
That can be taken with
Yeah,
water.
but if I
and
try
salt.
sending it into a regular washing machine, it's gonna turn out pink.
No, it's not.
That's how it works. You send red and white.
How do you think women clean their clothing? Autumn doesn't buy new clothing every month, right? Autumn knows how to get blood out. Most women do.
Cold water will get it out.
No, it will not.
Will help.
You needed something that denatures and that is vinegar, ammonia,
I'm literally about to
salt,
go to bed
OxyClean.
Why?
because I'm tired.